young daughters.
You're right, I'm doing the call. Y'all did.
The explosive argument happened in the Jacksonville area on Saturday. Officials say tempers flared as the two men drove erratically around each other, both driving with their families. One of the men pulled out a handgun and tried to shoot out the other's tires, instead hitting a 14-year-old girl. The second father returned fire, striking the other's 5-year-old daughter. Both girls are expected to survive.
Real quick tactical protection review. A lot of you guys just don't freaking get it, man. In this world, the emotional intelligence in this world is dwindling fast. And as a professional protector, a competitive shooter, a combat veteran, and many other things, I'm here to tell you the only time you're pulling your firearm out is to save human life. So if you're in a life-threatening position, life-threatening situation, the firearm comes out so that you can change the behavior of your aggressor, right? So whether in some cases that's extinguishing that aggressor, compartmentalizing that aggressor, but you are doing these things only to deal directly with that threat. Once that threat ceases, you cease to use that firearm. There are rules and regulations and ways to righteously implement these tools, and a lot of you guys, not a lot of you guys, but some people are emotional with these tools, and this is a prime example of bad geometries of fire, of emotional people utilizing firearms. And I just want to make this video for all of you guys just to realize, like, do not be one of these people. These men's lives are going to change forever. These two daughters' lives are going to change forever. Not to mention the trauma they're going to all have to deal with. Remember your mission when you take a firearm out with you for the day. What's your mission? Your mission is to get home to your family. I'm just going to tell you what your mission is. So if you can avoid conflict, then you achieve your mission. Like, forget about your ego. Get home to your family. Live the rest of your life with your family. Tell the guy, hey, sorry I cut you off, whatever it is. But if that guy's not cornering you and threatening your life and the life of your loved ones, the firearm is not even an option. A vehicle is actually a great means of escape and also a great weapon. So, you know, utilize every other tool you possibly can. When violence is the answer, it's the only answer. But I'm here to tell you that a lot of times when it's not the answer, and don't get it twisted just because you can carry. Tactical Protection Review, Byron Rodgers, man of peace. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more willing, capable, and prepared. And yes, more dangerous. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.